How to fix Discord gray screen on PC. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click the search bar. Then type in taskbar and open it. Once Task Manager opens, find Discord in the list of running apps. Select it and then click in Task. This will first close any background processes that might be causing the issue. Now go back to search bar, type run, and open the run window. Now in the box that appears, type following command prompt. %AppData%, then click OK. A File Explorer window will open. In here, look for the folder named Discord. Right-click on it and click Delete. What this does is remove Discord's temporary files and cache that could be corrupted. Next, just reopen the Discord app. It will take a moment to reload. You will see a starting message as it re-downloads the necessary files. Once it opens, you should be good to go. No more gray screen and Discord should load normally. If still you are having the issue, you can launch settings, navigate to the option apps, head over to the option installed apps. Now from here find Discord, uninstall it, then again reinstall it, and that's it. With these steps you'll be good to go, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.